on everybody, thank you so much for joining me on this new video. We are getting ready to pack for our 5-day cruise out of Miami on Virgin Voyages. Y'all, we've done Carnival with the kids, we've done Carnival by ourselves, but having 5 children ranging from all different ages, we are super excited about Virgin Voyages adults only cruise. It is our first time sailing with them. I'm a little familiar with how they function just being a travel agent, but it is actually my first time sailing with them. So I'm super excited about that. So we're about to get into this video so I can show y'all all my essentials for just Virgin specifically, and just cruise things I bring in general on any type of Caribbean destination, whether it's a cruise or you know, all inclusive. So we're about to get into that, but before we get into it, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, because it will really help the channel out as we are really trying to grow and continue to bring you guys all things travel as it relates to family travel, solo travel, couple travel, momcations, vacations, whatever it is that you want to do, traveling with them small children, because I have a lot of them. So please, it would really help us out. Anyways, let's get into the video. Where to start, because I got a lot of stuff here, and mind you, we are flying Southwest, and you know with Southwest you get your personal item, your carry-on, and then 2 free check bags. However, Virgin Voyages, they're just their regular rooms, whether it's an interior, a sea terrace, a sea view, unless you get an extra large room, there's not a lot of space. So we are challenging ourselves, and we've done this plenty of times with other vacations. We're challenging ourselves with just a carry-on bag and a personal item. So I'm about to show y'all pretty much how I'm gonna make this all work, especially because we're going places where there's lots of sun. So we don't need that many clothes and stuff. But anyway, let's get into this, because I want y'all to see. So first things first, my electronics. I got all my GoPro items here in case we do any type of excursions or any type of adventure type. We don't have any excursions booked, but in case we, you know, do something that I want to be a little more hands-free, I do have my GoPro here with the few accessories that I like to bring. I have tons of accessories, but I don't want to bring that much, so there's that. I don't even know if I'm going to leave it in this case, to be honest, because that case is going to take up space, but we're going to see. And then me, I even just called them recently to change my room, because they had me at the very front of the ship, and that's not gonna work for me. I do tend to get a little seasick. I get very car sick, so I haven't really gotten seasick, but I do feel it. So I have my room moved to the middle. If y'all don't know, being in the middle of the ship, you feel things a lot less. And it's always worked for me on Carnival, so I'm praying it's gonna be the same with Virgin. So I do have my Dramamine here. This is the less drowsy, because Dramamine does make you very sleepy. And I also have my nausea relief bands. It's the bands that you put on your wrist, and it does work. It hits like a pressure point on your wrist that kind of stops nausea. So I've got that, and then my less drowsy Dramamine, because I'm not trying to be sleepy on the cruise all the time. And then I just got some socks here. I don't go nowhere without this, because y'all already know on that plane it's about to go down. So this is my personal item bag, and it does fit on pretty much all airline personal item requirements. So this is my personal item bag. I got this for like $17 on clearance at Walmart, and this bag pretty much has been on all my latest trips. So it's got a lot of compartments. I've got my shades in here, because I'm not quite ready to bring those out yet. I got some oil. I got more motion sickness. I've heard some crazy things about these patches. I'm sorry y'all if y'all see my husband in the background. I don't know if he's back there or not, but he tends to like to pop up on me sometimes. Anyway, I got these patches to go behind my ear. Yeah, behind my ear, but I've heard that the side effects for these can be pretty tricky, so I've never actually worn them, but I am gonna bring them just in case I do need them. Of course, passports. Virgin, I don't think they do birth certificates. I think you have to have a passport. So note to self, get your passport if you ain't got one already. And this bag is not full yet, but I'm just kind of showing y'all what's in here. We got these. I got this from another video, the idea. These are some little clear bags that we got from Dollar Tree, and we use it to house our toiletries And I also use it to house like any type of extra stuff I got. So I got like an extra pack of contacts because I'm gonna wear without my eyes, y'all. And solution, jewelry. There's different little compartments, and then of course the main compartment here. So I just stick random stuff in here that I don't wanna, you know, have all over the place. So I got more toiletries I need to put in there. Like I got sunscreen. I got plenty of these body washes. And of course I got a couple of these little travel size deodorants because we are flying. It's our first time flying to a cruise port because we live in Texas. So we always drive to Galveston if we want to cruise. So this is our first time having to fly to the cruise port. And of course I got my loofah. So those things are gonna go in here, and I've gotta, you know, finish packing them, but that's where they're gonna go. I got an umbrella because, you know, the tropical areas can be iffy. So I don't go nowhere without my travel umbrella. I got us a little Bluetooth speaker because I have heard that the music on Voyages, I can't talk. The music on Virgin Voyages is not always popping. And then we don't like listening to everything. We are saved, we are Christians. So our taste of music, I mean, we not like the kind that be like, oh my God, my ears are bleeding. But we do like to keep our tempo and our, you know, our atmosphere some kind of controlled. So like I said, we ain't extra like that, but we do like, you know, certain types of music. So I got my Bluetooth, and this actually can hook on to, I can't unhook it right now, but it hooks onto like a backpack, which I did not grab, but I am gonna go grab that. I have this foldable, portable backpack that'll be good for flying because I can stick it, I can fold it up and stick it in here, and then when we're actually there, I can unfold it and put it on as a regular backpack when we're like out at the ports and stuff. So that will be great to hook onto this. And this, baby, I don't go nowhere without this because my body temperature, y'all, I done had 5 babies and one is not even a year old yet, so my body temperature do the most. Baby, get you a travel fan. Get you a travel fan. It's USB, so I plug it into one of these, and baby, this don't go nowhere without me. I mean, I don't go nowhere without it. It folds down so it can sit on a flat surface, or it actually can go around your neck, or anything like that. Baby, I don't go nowhere without this because me and my husband, we don't be on one accord when it comes to temperature, room temperature. So this bag has plenty more space of other things I need to pack, but then there's that. Y'all, we was doing this before COVID, but listen, baby, no sir, no ma'am. I don't go nowhere without this. I was just telling my daughter earlier, hotels can be tip-top, diamond, platinum, whatever shape, but you don't know who been up in there, and you don't know what kind of things they might have. So we keep our environment clean. So baby, I got my travel Lysol and I got me some disinfectant wipes because I don't play that. So what else do I have? So we do plan on working out a lot. Like I said, with Virgin Voyages, it is adults only, and it is very geared to adult entertainment. There are some things that we don't necessarily want to partake in, and it's just personal preference. Nothing, I haven't been on there, so I can't tell you if it was good or bad. But I know there's certain things, so some of the shows don't seem, I've seen other vlogs, and I'm like, I don't think I'm really interested in those shows. So we do plan on spending a lot of time in the gym and some other places. So of course, I got plenty of gym clothes. I probably won't pack all of these. I'll probably take a few of them out and pack. Those are just my gym shorts, and I got some tops too. So that's something that we're definitely gonna be bringing because we do want to make sure, we've been on a very strict workout regimen. So like I said, I just had a baby. So listen, I gotta get myself together. So that is something that we are gonna be doing a lot of. So we definitely are bringing clothes for that. I got my little crossover purse. I'm not a big purse person, but when I do carry a purse, I do like a nice crossover. I did just purchase this one. So I do like a nice crossover. Of course, but ultimately I'll probably use that backpack that I was telling you guys about for when we're out at the ports and stuff. Next, if you have not been on Virgin or are not familiar with Virgin, they do, and it's typically the first night, have a pajama party. So I do have some pajamas here. These are not what I'm gonna be wearing to the pajama party. These are my actual pajamas I'm gonna be sleeping in. That, and I'll probably throw a nightgown in there, I don't know yet, but I do have that. But I did order these pink flannel type shorts pajamas on Shein. They were only like maybe $8. Y'all know Shein, baby. Get you a Shein. So I did order these for the actual pajama party because I do want to go to that. I did order these. So this is just a nice little pink flannel pajama set. I think my husband ordered pink as well because he wanted to match with me, but his actually has not came in yet. Y'all, I don't be fooling with Temu. If that's what y'all want to do, baby, I'm not knocking you, but they've been tripping lately. So that's my pajamas for the party. So that is something that you want to keep in mind when you're packing for a Virgin Voyages trip, is something nice for the pajama party. Of course, gotta have the swimsuit. By the way, these are just some packing cubes. I did not order these anywhere. I actually picked them up at my local thrift store I think I paid $3 for the whole set. And if you don't know, packing cubes are not cheap. So I was happy that these were some brand new packing cubes that nobody ever really used, or they kept them in good condition. Anywho, this is my swimsuit bag. So I do have all of I just ordered all of these on Shein, and I might do a little try on and maybe insert some clips here. I'm not sure yet, but if I do, that way you guys can see, because like I say, I am a little bit postpartum, so mommy body is a real thing. But I did order, a lot of these are high-waisted to kind of cover up my mom belly, but I did order these swimsuits on Shein. All of them are brand new, because in a lot of my vlogs, I had on the same swimsuits in a lot of them because I hadn't been swimsuit shopping. So I did order some swimsuits from Shein. This one is shorts with a bikini top, which like I said, I like to get things that cover my mom belly. This one is actually like a skirt / dress bikini mix kind of thing. And like I said, if I decide to do a try on haul for you guys, I will show you how that actually goes. But that was my swimsuits. That's gonna actually be a little difficult to put back, so I'll do that off camera. I just got some regular like crop top shirts that I like to purchase. Like I said, they're good for people with mom belly like me. So these are just comfy clothes for when I'm just hanging out or whatever, and even clothes that I have to fly back home in when the cruise is over. Some shorts, just different types of shorts and stuff that I have in here. My undergarments, which I'm not gonna show you guys, but that is also in here. Dinner dresses and dinner attire. I keep it simple, just nice little sundresses is usually my go-to, especially on any type of Caribbean or warm weather vacation. This is like a 2-piece set, Shein of course. This is like a little halter top or tube top 2-piece set that I got from Shein. High-waisted again, because mom belly is real. I get a little subconscious sometimes. I have several of these. I'm not gonna take them all out, but I do have several. One's a skirt, some are shorts, and then I've got like some sundresses. But another big thing with Virgin Voyages, if you have not heard, of course, is Scarlet Night. Scarlet Night is where they turn everything red. Virgin Voyages, like, brand colors are red and white. So for Scarlet Night, they turn everything red, and you wear red on Scarlet Night, and it's just a night to have fun and kick it and hang out and all this stuff. They turn the lights red, everything, and it's just a big party. And so you should always bring something red for that. It doesn't have to be solid red, but something red. Y'all, I don't even know how this dress goes on me. I just have the picture to refer to, but this is a dress that I did order. It's a little spicy. And mind you, keep in mind, our cruise, surprisingly, is actually going to be during a very eventful week in February. So we cruise out, or we embark on Super Bowl Sunday. We have Valentine's Day within our cruise. So I'm hoping Scarlet Night is actually on Valentine's Day, but if it's not, it is what it is. I actually made special dinner reservations for that night. And then if you're from Louisiana or any other French culture, Mardi Gras is actually during that time. I don't think they're gonna be doing anything special, but I just thought it was crazy that there's 3 major dates all within 1 week during our cruise. So I thought that was kind of interesting. I did have a few more sundresses and stuff. I don't really want to unfold them, but I did order all of these on Shein. So like I said, if I do the try on haul, I'll just insert some clips of that. So there's my actual regular clothes. And then because I do shop at Shein a lot, baby, I got bags on deck. And I use these are going with me because I use them to pack wet clothes. If I have any wet clothes, when it's time to get ready to pack up and come home, it's good to put some your wet clothes, of course, in something separate and sealable. And then if I'm gonna be buying souvenirs and things like that. Of course, I'm limited because I'm only trying to bring a carry-on and a personal item. We're trying so hard not to bring a checked bag, so that will be one less step in the airport process and the packing process. And then carrying all that stuff around when we get to our hotel and walking around and catching Ubers and all that stuff. So I keep these with me. They can be used for so many different purposes. I can put all the souvenirs in here to help make packing easier when it's time to pack up and go home. I can put wet clothes in here. I can do whatever I need to do with these bags. And then I also got my shoes. I know they make shoe bags, but I don't know where mine is. So I got a Shein bag, and I'm very simple again when it comes to any type of warm weather destination. I just have sandals, and these are not anything new that I purchased. I did get them on Shein, but they're not new. Just some slides and sandals with an actual back on them. These came from Shein as well, but not anytime. They're older purchase. And then just like a more kind of complicated shoe for more like dress up situations. I'm not big on heels, so you probably won't catch me in heels. If you do, it'll probably be for a split second, but I won't be packing any on this trip. And the only other shoe that is not in here that I'm gonna have to make room for are my gym shoes, of course. I will be bringing those. I was thinking about just wearing them to the airport, but I don't like shoes like that. So when I get in the airport, I mean, I was like, I could just wear them and then take them off on the plane because we do have like a 3-hour flight. And so I thought about, and they'll be comfortable to walk in. So I might just wear them, but we'll see. I probably will wear them with some biker shorts and a t-shirt for flying day. And I believe that's it. I do have a few more things on my list that I did not, that are not here with me, but they're around the house somewhere that I need to pack. And of course, I'm filming on my camera, but my camera is one of them with my microphone, SD cards, you know, all your electronics. Of course, you don't want to forget your chargers. One thing I love about Virgin versus like Carnival or some of the other lines is plenty of outlets in the room, because baby, no, who got time for all of that? That's why I say this packing experience has been completely different, because there's no way I probably could have did all of this with Carnival or any of the other lines. I probably would have had to end up checking the bag. Anywho, I believe that's all I have to show you guys. Like I said, I will insert some clips of some of the outfits if you'd like to see that, or just so that you can see that. Especially if you're a mom watching and you're going on vacation not long after having a baby, and you want some ideas of some things that are nice and comfortable, inexpensive, because Shein is very inexpensive. And I'm not even at the status to be, for this to be a paid promotion video with them, but I love them. So I'm gonna brag on them. But, you know, just ideas for if you're a mom or if you're just very simplistic. I'm very simple, y'all. I don't do a whole lot, as you can see. I've got on a whole hoodie, you know, and I'm very simple. But I do like to be somewhat cute and comfortable on vacation. Of course, I gotta get my hair braided and my lashes. So I've just gotten into doing my own lashes and doing my own nails. So I will be doing that for my trip. I will be getting my feet done, but I bought my own gel set, so I'll probably be painting them myself, but I'm gonna let them, you know, scrub them and get all that stuff off of them or whatever. Anywho, lots more prep to be done. We do leave in about a week, and I can't wait. So please be on the lookout, because of course, you know, we're gonna be vlogging for that. So please be on the lookout for that video. I believe I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, because I gotta put all this stuff back together and finish packing, because I don't like to pack at the last minute. Please, 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 again, like, subscribe, comment. It will really help our channel grow. Share if you want to share the link to the video so we can help our channel grow. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you guys in the next video. And happy traveling if you're on your way to any type of vacation, not just Virgin Voyages. And don't forget to check us out if you want to do any other type of, or if you have any suggestions on any type of travel videos that you want to see. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.